What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to format paragraphs in Microsoft Word. Formatting paragraphs can enhance the structure and clarity of your document, making it more professional and easier to read. Whether you are creating a report, an essay, or a presentation, these tools will help you effectively organize your content. Let's start with paragraph alignment, which is fundamental to the appearance of your text. To align text, select the paragraph you want to format first. Then, go to the paragraph group on the Home tab. Here, you'll find alignment options: left, center, right, and justify. Clicking these will align your text accordingly, affecting the overall readability and layout of your document. Next, adjusting line spacing is crucial for readability and the aesthetic appeal of your paragraphs. In the same paragraph group, click on the line and paragraph spacing buttons. It looks like a few horizontal lines with an up-down arrow. From the drop-down menu, you can choose to add more space between lines or reduce it. This is especially useful if your document feels cramped or too stretched out. Indents are another way to distinguish paragraphs or important blocks of text. Still in the paragraph group, you can use the Increase Indent and Decrease Indent buttons to adjust the indent level of your paragraph. This can help to visually separate paragraphs from each other or offset quotations. For paragraph coloring, which is known as shading in Word, select the paragraph you want to modify. Again, within the paragraph group, find the shading button. Click it, and a color palette will appear, allowing you to select a background color that will apply to the entire selected paragraph. This is an excellent way to highlight a section of text or to visually group related paragraphs. Lastly, adding borders to your paragraph can give your document a neat and organized appearance. In the paragraph group, click on the Borders button, which resembles a square. From here, you can add borders for various styles to your paragraph, be it a simple line below the text or a boxed border that encloses the entire paragraph. By mastering these paragraph formatting tools, you can significantly improve the presentation of your documents, making them more engaging and easier to navigate. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.